Did you know that there is more than 20 million tons of gold dissolved in the ocean? Yes, you heard it right. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the ocean and explore this fascinating fact. So, get ready to discover the hidden treasures of the ocean. To understand how gold gets into the ocean, we first need to understand the process of weathering. Over time, rocks on land get weathered by wind, rain, and other natural forces, which release minerals like gold into the water. This process has been going on for millions of years, and as a result, the ocean has become a repository for a vast amount of gold. But how is the gold distributed in the ocean, and why is it dissolved instead of being in the form of solid nuggets? Well, the gold is dispersed throughout the ocean, in tiny particles that are invisible to the naked eye. These particles are created when gold-bearing rocks on land are eroded and carried into rivers, which eventually flow into the ocean. Once in the ocean, the gold particles mix with seawater, and over time, they become dissolved in the water. To give you an idea of how much gold is in the ocean, a liter of seawater contains an average of 13 billionths of a gram of gold. That may not seem like a lot, but when you consider the vastness of the ocean, it adds up to more than 20 million tons of gold. The gold is distributed unevenly throughout the ocean, with the highest concentrations found in areas near underwater volcanoes and hot springs. These areas are called hydrothermal vents, and they are hotspots for biological activity and the formation of mineral deposits. At these vents, the hot water dissolves minerals like gold from the surrounding rocks and deposits them on the seafloor. Over time, these deposits can accumulate to form massive underwater gold deposits. In fact, scientists have discovered several underwater gold deposits that contain more than 10 million ounces of gold each. So, with all this gold in the ocean, why haven't we started mining it yet? Well, the main reason is that the technology to extract the gold is still in its infancy. The water in the ocean is corrosive, and the high pressures and temperatures at the seafloor make it a challenging environment for mining. However, several companies are currently developing new technologies to extract gold from the ocean, and it's only a matter of time before this untapped resource is fully exploited. But, before we start mining the ocean for its gold, we need to consider the potential environmental impacts. Mining in the ocean can have severe consequences for marine life and the ocean ecosystem, and it's important that we proceed with caution and implement strict environmental regulations. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 20 million tons of gold dissolved in the ocean. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to go for a swim and find a gold nugget in the ocean. Thanks for watching.